Hi guys, gawin naman natin ngayon ng wrist exercise guys ha. One, puro forehand. Yan, wrist exercise guys, wrist exercise. 1, 20, 30. One more guys. 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, this is backhand. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Another one. 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ito yung papago ko yung 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Mamaya guys next ano natin, sasama natin si Renzo sa ating video.
Wala pala dahil.